6 months free activation. Hey, I can hook it up. Let a brother know what's happening. Hey, what's happening? Hey, check it out. This for 100, this for 150. Go around that way, bro, like that. I got free activation for you straight up, just like that. Whatever you want, whatever you need. 6 months, you can have it.
Here's my baby. Big businessman Pookie. We're so proud of you, sugar.
Oh, Grandma.
Say, could you lay 1,000 on Grandma Gray?
Come on now, Grandma just gave you $1,000, what, 2 days ago?
Well, what the fuck is the matter with you? I had to get my hair fixed and then my nails. Shit, you want me to style, don't you? Shit. What the fuck? Well, thank you, baby.
Thank you, my ass. You pay me that back when you get your check.
Listen, I raised you now. Don't come talking back to me. Now I'll whip your buns. Little old sweet thing. You was a booby. Bye now.
Bye, goddamn.
Be cool.
All right.